This is an example of a mechanical system, very ancient time. This is prepared and very accurate system. Today we added electronic devices, and you can see latest machines. So this is called a mechanical device, and mostly in olden days the main components almost made handmade, but very calculated and very accurate they made. Still running because of the quality. Electronic devices are added, we call mechatronics. Now so many items are made by mechatronics. The another thing, computer assisted. You know that we can see perfect designed shirts, ready-mades. For that, today computer also a big part. Now I already told you three major field. One is mechanical, one is mechatronics, and another one is computer. The another thing is electronics means electrical plus tronics is electronics, isn't it? Mechatronics means mechanical with electronics, mechatronics. These are a best learning field for an engineer, and I feeling this is one of the wonderful product I ever seen. The main thing I found in this machine, there is no failure, absolutely 100% perfect. You can see in many homes still running. That is the fantastic reason I love this machine. This is first I loved one. In mechanical side, we can see now automobile. Today, automobile also using many field mechatronics. Okay, in mechatronics, so many things are added. One of the main component is step motor. Step motor is designed for accuracy. Mostly brushless motors are using for step motors. These electronic devices in mechatronics changing the world, and today so many inventions are going on with mechatronics. The difference between mechatronics and robotronics, so many things, so many intelligent, self-oriented, program-based is robotronics. So there is robot and electronics is mixed. So it is called robotronics. One more thing I will explain you. Software engineering. Software engineering, for anything you want to make, you need a program. That program only runs that machine. If you're using this machine some purpose, that is called program. If you're making any food, you need a program. Then only you make a process and you get a good food. The same thing, a program is important for a function. So software is the main key to make programs. So you have a doubt where that program you can find out. An invention of chip, 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 made a great convenience for program. 10 to 20 years back, 8-bit chip is used. Small chips are used for many programs. Today, several more counted, 16, 32, 64, up to GB, like many program-based quality chips are using for many programs. So each chip is maybe different and different programs. For that, we say some code numbers. From that code number, we can find out for which program that chip is using. So chip is the main factor now. Almost programs are going on. Today, mobile phone, laptop, computer, aerospace, electronic components, all things are based on chips. For this chip, we need several parts to operate. One is the main factor is they need a storage memory. For that we using hard disk or memory card. That you know that hard disk and memory card. That is called read-only memory. That only we can read. For finding a solution of a program, we collecting files from the ROM or this hard disk. ROM called that is the hard disk, or from the card memory we are collecting. An example, we have many videos and audio musics, all we keeping in a file where that is in the memory card, in the phone memory or SD card memory. That is called ROM. The machine itself need, or that program itself need a control, a execution. For that we need RAM. That is different. RAM, random access memory. Random access memory in RAM and ROM both are different. RAM, random access memory, need a machine or a program for a processing. That is execution processing method. RAM is important for a device to function. For a small function, for a big function, for a multi-function. That is we call now 8-core processor, octa-core processor, different core processor. What we saying, because the program function need accuracy, so we need multiple program and processes. So we using multi processes. So that is operated by RAM. I think you understood. That also a memory type method, but it is for a process F to functioning. And the RAM and ROM, you just understand. RAM for reading only, ROM doing more job. ROM for entering the file to the processor RAM, and that producing what you need. You need to see a TV program, or you need to finding a stitching properly. In not this machine, this is only mechanical device, but new Juki machines, new quality machines in luxury houses, they are using electronic devices and computer added devices. So that is using this kind of processors, RAMs and ROMs, etc., depend upon the need and requirement. So now we started from the mechanical side. Nick, we finished to the end of a computer side. I think this is a big subject. I just shortly told that some of the main factor of controlling devices. This kind of things are happening in almost all production line. Any kind of production need a processing and execution mechanical devices or any program devices to manage that. Then only the delivery comes. That output will comes. Software, one more thing I will tell you. You know that radio, a big product. Now it is in a phone. A program, some keyboard typing, creating a FM radio. In the application store, you can get tabla or any musical instrument, but it is natural. It is not an original thing, but it working just like an original product. How? That also a programming language made a product. Software engineer typing with some letters, that is creating an instrument. It is a wonderful thing. So we can see later many inventions, many special things that we'll see. Let me stop. Okay, thank you.